What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Today we've got episode 11 of This Week at NLD. Let's get into it. Right then, so as usual, we've got a very busy week ahead of us. The main two cars in, I believe, are this Tesla Model 3 behind me, and then we've also got another Alpine A110 in the studio already. So a bit later on today, we're going to get them decontaminated, make sure they're fully clean before we bring them into the studio. Other than those, this morning we've got this BMW estate in. So this is just in for some decals to be added for a dealership we're good friends with. So you might have seen it on the channel before, but we're just going to add some M Performance decals on the side here. But yeah, this is a very nice spec car. So that's the plans for the start of the week. I'll pick the vlog back up with you a little later on when we've made some progress. Right then, we're now on Thursday, so let's show you what's going on in the studio. Right then, first up this morning, we've moved the Alpine and the Mustang Bullet outside. We've just had a little move around so we can have a tidy up inside the studio. So now they're out here, the guys have just been inside cleaning up a little. So inside here should be looking a little bit nicer now. Just a little tidy up really, nothing too major. Right then, as you can see, the handover bay is looking a little bit nicer now. The floor's just gone over the floor really with the wet vac. So now that's done, Callum's gone ahead and applied wheel and caliper to these Vossen wheels. So these are from the Tesla Model 3. These are really stunning alloys. 20-inch hybrid forged Vossens. So other than the Vossen wheels, Callum's made some good progress on the Tesla Model 3. So if you have a look in here, this is looking a lot better now. Right then guys, welcome back to the vlog. We're now on Thursday. Let's show you what's going on. Right then, so first up this morning, the guys are just finishing off the PPF on the Alpine. So as I mentioned, that's in for track pack PPF. So I'll just quickly show you that now. It's now being PPF. So you can just see that edge there. Whereas this side's all been took down already. The wings have been wrapped. So that has got PPF on it. The bumper. Then we've just got the side skirt and the rear impact props left to do. So that will be focused for the rest of the morning. Over then the Alpine, we've got this stunning M340D back with us. So this was in recently for PPF as well as ceramic curtains. This was the one that had five layers of Ceramic Pro 9H, which we don't usually do. So this is back with us just for an inspection. The customer's been driving it now for around a week. So we're gonna bring it in, fully decontaminate it again, just to make sure it's looking as good as possible. Whilst we're doing that, obviously, as I mentioned, it is an inspection, so we can look around the car just to make sure that all the PPF and coatings are as they should be. So yeah, I had a quick chat with the customer about this car when he dropped it off with us, and he's enjoying it as much as he thought he would. Other than the BM, we have the Tesla still. So now, as I mentioned, we was waiting for some more cloths as we was having issues with correcting it. So now these have come, we can get on with this and get it finished up for the customer. Huge shout out to Cloth Kings, as we've got a massive care package from them. So yeah, the main jobs for today, get the Alpine PPF finished, as well as starting the machine polishing. Then we can also get the rest of the machine polishing done on the Tesla as well. And once they're done, so we can start the inspection on the BMW M340D. So that's what's going on at the moment. Right then guys, welcome back to the vlog. We're now at the end of the week. It's Friday, so let's show you what's happening. Right then, so first up today, we've got the Alpine A110. So now Cameron's made some good progress on the polishing on this. So the multi-stage paint correction is almost done. So once that's done, we can go ahead and start applying the coatings. As I mentioned previously, the front end PPF's already been done. So that's looking all good now. You can see, you shouldn't really be able to see any edges at all. These little marks here are just water marks, so they'll come off when we give it a wipe over before the customer collects it. But this is looking really nice at the moment. Once Cameron's finished up with the paint correction, we can then go ahead and start applying the coatings. Other than the Alpine, we've got the Tesla Model 3 cylinders, so we've been having a tough time correcting the paintwork on this, as it's a flat back. So guys have been trying endless combinations of pads in compound to try to get the perfect one really. So that's now been achieved. So the guys took over to go around the rest of the car, getting it fully corrected. As you can see, it's looking fantastic now, like a mirror. Show you Cadbury as he's bothering me at the moment. Other than that, we have the GT4 with us still, so this is looking really good under the lights. Show you the front of it. See how good it looks underneath the lights. So yeah, underneath the lights, it's looking really good at the moment. So yeah, this was decontaminated before we brought it inside the studio. So now, once the Tesla is off the ramp, we can get this on it and start with the PPF. But until then, it's just sitting there pretty underneath the lights. Right then, that's all we've got going on at the moment. I'll pick the vlog back up with you a bit later on. Right then guys, it's Friday evening now. We've stayed a bit later on this evening just to get things in a good position for the cars to be collected on the weekend. So I'll take you inside now, show you what's going on. Right then, so first up, the Alpine A110. So now this has had the multi-stage paint correction all done, as well as the single layer of Ceramic Pro 9H. So now this is going to be left to cure overnight. And we can come in tomorrow morning on a Saturday to get this top coated. This isn't going home with the customer until Sunday, so this should be all good to get finished tomorrow. Other than the Alpine, we've got this. We've got Toby just helping someone with the PPF on this Arteon, so this is just training really, so Toby's helping him out. Right then, so other than the Arteon, we've still got the Tesla Model 3, so now this has had the multi-stage paint correction all done. As I mentioned before, the guys have been having some hassle with this, but now it's looking fantastic. So now the guys are just going around the car and applying this Ceramic Pro 9H. Once that's applied, we leave that to cure overnight, and then the guys are coming in tomorrow and applying the top coat. Right then, that's the end of episode 11 of This Week at NLD. If you're new around here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.